Hello everyone, myself Shushma Pujar, student of Kelly College of Education, Hubli. I am studying in B.Ed first semester. Now, I am going to present a seminar on computer hardware. Before going to discuss about the computer hardware, let us know what is computer and what is hardware. Now, what is computer? As we all know, computer is an electronic device which accept the data, progress and give the meaningful information. Means in Kannada we call it as a ಗಣಕಯಂತ್ರ ಎಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯುನ್ಮಾನ ಸಾಧನ. Now, let us know about what is hardware. The physical part of the computer is called hardware, means which we can touch and feel. The physical component of the computer is called hardware. Next, hardware components are further divided into three groups. First one is input devices, second one output devices, third one is input system unit. Let us study one by one. First one is input device. An input device lets you communicate with a computer. You can use input devices to enter information and issue commands. Input devices means it is a media. Through this media we can give the data to the computer. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ. ಈ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Next one is output device. An output device displays information on a screen, creates printed copies or generates sound. Output device means it is a media. Through this media we can get the processed data from the computer. Next one is a system unit. The system unit is the part of the computer which is responsible for accepting and processing the data brought in by the input devices. Next, let us know the input devices with some examples. First one is keyboard. Keyboard is familiar input device. Keyboard consists of important keys like alphabet, that is A to Z. Keyboard consists of special characters like comma, greater than, semicolon, brackets, question mark, etc. And keyboard also consists of special keys like shift keys, toggle key, function keys, that is F1 to F12. Then keyboard is a standard input device of most computers used to type data into the computer. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is also one of the familiar input devices. Mouse is a hand-click device used for pointing and moving objects. The full form of mouse is M stands for manual, O stands for operating, U stands for user, S stands for sensible, E stands for equipment. Means manual, operating, user, sensible, equipment. There are three buttons in the mouse. One is left button, second one is right button, and third one is scroll bar. Mouse is also called as GUI, means graphical user interface. Next input device is joystick. Joystick is an input device which is commonly used for computer games. Means joystick is used to play the games in the computer. Next input device is trackball. Trackball basically an upside down mouse. Means trackball is also an input device which is similar to the mouse. Next is light pen. Light pen is a device used to draw, write or issue commands when it touches a specially designed screen. Light pen is used to edit the text. Further, scanner. Scanner is also an input device. Allows you to scan documents, pictures or graphics and view them on the computer. Next, microphone. Microphone used to input sound into a computer. Next, output device. Let us know output device with some examples. First one, monitor. The monitor is used to provide soft copy output. Monitor is also familiar and most commonly used output device. Next, multimedia projector. Multimedia projector is a type of video projector for displaying video, images or computer data on a screen or other flat surfaces. means a video projector is an image projector that receives a video signal and projects the corresponding image on a projection screen. Next, speaker. Speaker plays sounds transmitted as electrical signals from the sound card. Speaker is also an output device used to listen the music at any range. Next, system unit. Let us know about system unit with some examples. First one is CPU. The central processing unit carries out each instruction of the program in sequence to perform the basic arithmetical, logical and input or output operations of the system. Central processing unit means it is the portion of a computer that retrieves and executes instructions. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Basically, CPUs comes in different speeds. Basically, the faster the CPU, the faster the computer will perform. Next system unit is power supply. It supplies power from the power supply to the drive. The power cables are red, yellow and black. The yellow wire furnishes 12 volts of power. The red wire furnishes 5 volts of power. The two black wire are ground wire for each. Next one, memory. The memory in a computer system is of two fundamental types, the main or a primary memory and the secondary memory. RAM is the example for primary memory and HDD is the example for secondary memory. RAM means random access memory. We can read this memory but we cannot edit the memory. It is the temporary memory. And HDD is example for secondary memory and it is hard disk drive. It is a main storage, often store operating system, software programs and other files. Next one, video card. It is a board that is plugged into a computer to give it display capabilities. And sound card. Sound card enhances the computer's sound generating capabilities by allowing sound to be output through speakers. It is also a system unit. Next one is modem. A modem is a device that sends and receives data over telephone lines to and from computers. Means it allows a computer or other devices to connect to the internet. These are the examples of the system unit. In this presentation, we have discussed about what is computer, what is hardware and components of hardware, and we gone through the examples of input devices, output devices as well as system unit. Thank you.